How to highlight text in Canva. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight text in Canva. In order to highlight text in Canva, you will need to simply follow these steps. First of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once in the browser, now in the search bar, type in canva.com. After that, press on the enter key to search for it. Now you will be taken to the official website of Canva. Here ensure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged into your account, you will land on this dashboard. Now here you will need to open your design. Simply click on the design in this recent design section. Now you will be taken to the editing space. Once you reach to this space, here now you will need to find the text which you would like to highlight. Once you find the text, you will need to simply click on the text. After that, it will be surrounded by a purple bounding box. Once after selecting it, you will need to navigate to the top menu bar, and there you will need to click on this effects button. Simply click on it, and at the left side you will be able to see this effects tab. Here scroll a bit down and find this background option. Simply click on this background option, and this will automatically highlight your text. Now you can customize your highlight. Scroll a bit down at the left side. Here you can adjust the roundness slider to change the corners of your highlight. Also, you can use the spread slider to modify the distance between the text and the highlight. Scroll a bit down again, and here adjust the transparency slider to change how opaque the highlight appears. You may also click on this color box to choose a different highlight color. Simply click on it and then select a color. Or you may also use this color picker for custom colors if needed. Again, scroll a bit down, and here if you'd like to change the shape of your text, then simply click on this curve option in order to change. Now customize it as per your preference, and once you are satisfied with your highlight, you can now save your design. So this method helps you to draw attention to the important text within your designs. This is how you can highlight text in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.